The third mindset I want to talk about has to do with emerging economies. Here the story goes that until recently, almost all products and services were developed for the very wealthiest 1 billion people at the top of the economic pyramid. And now the story was that these technologies developed for the very top of the economic pyramid would then be transferred down to the bottom of the pyramid. The products may be made a little cheaper, perhaps they would be a little less high quality, but that's the way technology transfer would go. But now there's a new mindset which says that actually the bottom of the economic pyramid is an excellent incubator for innovations that are cheaper, simpler, and greener. The Tata Nano, for example, is a car that was built in India that cost $2,000 US. This is called extreme affordability. The development team for the car was headed by a 27-year-old engineer. The car has only half the number of parts of a traditional car, and so some of the parts perform a dual function. Like the bottom of the seat post also serves as part of the structure of the bottom of the car. And these engineers also pioneered something that's being called Gandhian engineering. That is that creating a product that's affordable by many people using as few resources as possible, instead of the traditional route, which is to make products for the very few wealthiest people using as much resources as needed. So this is pioneering not just a new product, but also a whole new way of thinking about designing products. Another example is the one laptop per child, sometimes called the XO laptop. This product was designed by a team at Massachusetts Institute of Technology, and it was designed for children in the developing world. So their focus was on making a product that would be extremely affordable. $100 was their goal. And they also designed it to be greener. It is won awards as a green computer because of its low power usage and the fact that it has a lifetime that's twice as long as a traditional computer. It's non-toxic, and it has a contract with the producer to take back the computers at the end of their useful life. So this product is now making its way back up the economic pyramid. It's being discussed for use in the school system in Washington, D.C. And in 2013, a tablet version of the one laptop per child will be available at Walmart. Another way in which the bottom of the economic pyramid is providing an incubator for innovations is because there is a less developed infrastructure in the bottom of the pyramid. Intel, for example, developed a new, more energy efficient design for data centers. They found that this design was not economically viable in the US, where energy is cheap and the power grid is reliable and fully built out. But in India, where the power is less reliable, it was economically viable. So they were able to innovate this design and implement it there. Another example is an organization called Light Up the World, where they are pairing solar panels with LED lighting and creating a lighting unit for around $40 US, and they're implementing this around the world. So these are just a couple of examples of innovations that coming from this incubator at the bottom of the economic pyramid, and we're watching to see how they translate up to the top of the pyramid, to the developed world. This was just a brief introduction to the new business mindsets. I hope that you will join me in May when there will be the opportunity to spend a full day in a program that I will conduct. We will go into more depth into these topics. We'll also learn about why sustainability is the primary driver of innovation today, how information technologies are enabling green solutions, and how to communicate green technologies to customers and others. It would be my privilege to join you in May and to work with you and to explore how your technological solutions might fit with the new business mindsets so that they together can create business success. I look forward to meeting you and to working with you in Helsinki in May.